Hello guys, Cinema User HD here, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Sound Effector on Cinema 4D R13. Um, well, first off, I'm going to add a floor, make it look stylish like that. We're gonna add, we're gonna go to splines and add like a circle. I don't know. Choose in this case, just go down there, have it like that. I'm gonna change the radius to about 330. No, maybe like 450. That's good. Now what I want to do is add like a cube or whatever you want. Make it like this. Make it however you want it. I want it like that. Okay, now we're gonna go to MoGraph Effector in Spline. Go on Spline. You're gonna go down to Spline there and drag the circle down to the spline. Right. Now we're gonna add cloner. Drag the cube into the cloner. Go to cloner and effectors. Drag the spline down like that. Okay. Now on cloner and object, we're gonna change it to whatever we want. I would like it like 100. No, maybe like okay 100. Now I'm gonna go to MoGraph Effector and Sound. There we go. Cloner effectors. Okay, my sound already dragged itself down there, but if you haven't, you just drag the sound to there. But on sound, I'll choose my sound file that I have, and you won't be able to hear it because I don't want to get caught by it. I don't want to. You're not gonna hear it because it's copyrighted, and I hope to be featured someday. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna change apply mode to step on sound. And you can go down to sample mode and average like that. My song starts at on 60 and ends at 631 like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna play it. Looks like that, right? And now that's how to use Sound Effector, but you can like add like a cool when you go to create shader in Yuki, just drag down to the floor, make a cool material for the for this, and just go like blue, a little darker like that. You can go to glow, like change it to about 350. Okay, I'm gonna add a better reflection as well, like 10%. Just add that to there. It's really cool. Make it a little bit darker as well, like that. Add a light, make it like that. What I'm going to do right now is go to shader, shadow. I'm sorry, and use shadow map soft. When you render it, when you view it, it's like that. It's really cool. I can just add like a motex. Just do it like that. Just type in your user name on YouTube, like that. Just sorry. Choose whatever font you want. I'm gonna just use my font that I downloaded called Counter Strike. There we have it. Looks like this. I think you can download it like thefont.com. Okay, so we got it like this. Move steam. Make it a little bit smaller, like that. Add a color, like a little dark. Add some reflection as well, like 20%. Drag that in there, like that. Okay, just do like that. Okay, so you can see the text there. You can just like do whatever you want with the camera, and boom, there you have a new intro for your channel. And that's how to use Sound Effector. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't.